Well, welcome Northeast Missouri Angler. I'm out here on Mark Twain, hiding out of the wind last week. Wind's blowing 10-20. Got in a fine place here. I'm hiding behind this bluff. Seen some fish, and so I dropped down on them. Got the boat put all back together, so out here setting, playing with new screens and whatnot. I'm using this jig, what I got, and got some JB's fish sauce on it. It's an 1/8 ounce thumper pill head with a 1.75 inch Wild Willie's OCD pole dancer in the 4th of July color. And see if I can't catch a few here. I just won't go ahead and commit to it. Took all the goodie off of it. Try something else here. I did stop, grab a couple dozen minnows. See if they want a minnow. Put a minnow on there, see if he wants it that way. There he is. Feels like a good one. There we go. There we go. Nice 10-inch crappie. Mark Twain. That jig tip with minnow. Right there. Good one. Thick crappie too. There's a bunch of them down there. Got a dead stick, and I'm thinking just a minnow works better on cork. Heck of a pile of them down there though. I'll show you these fish. See that pile of fish there or not? There they are. They're all about that size. A heck of a pile. Just getting them to eat. They're 20 till 2. So I'm not out here real early. I don't have much time. There he is. Good 10-inch fish. Just a good Mark Twain Lake eater right here. Nice one. These fish I'm catching them about 10 to 14 foot deep. Tell you what, wind's blowing about 20 today. You get out away from this bluff and it's brutal. But where I'm at, it's pretty dang pleasant. It's 60-some, 63 degrees, 64 degrees. Water temp's 47 here. There we go. Small fish. The bigger ones down there, they just don't act real interested. They definitely want meat today. There we go. Good one. Real nice crappie. There we go. Using a slip setup, just slip corks, all I'm doing. Fishing, this one's about 16 foot of water, this one I found. The shallow ones don't have no fish on them. If they do, they're little ones. But if you can find one in around that 15 foot range, there's fish all over it. There we go, there's one. Nice eater. Nice eater. There we go, there's one. Little one. Good fish. Dinky dink. Dinky dink. Smallest fish of the day right here. He's barely bigger than a minnow. There, we got a good one. Real nice one. change batteries. Hope you got that one. There's one. Good one. Another good one. Nice 11-incher. Already playing with it here. And there he is. And got up there, nice fish. I was fishing some brush piles there off that main body, off that bluff, off that south bank. I thought, just looked across and the wind changed there on me. I said, I'm gonna come over here. There he is. Bass. Bassola ditch pickle. Wanted that old minnow. Yep. Good crappie. Good crappie. Nice 11-incher. Go. Getting to have quite a few of these in their box. Get that one out. Drop. There he is. Oh yeah. Another nice 10.5 incher. There he is. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, just dropped him on his head. There we go. We're gonna measure him, see if he's 12. I don't think he is. If he's 12, I turn him loose. So I think he's just right at a little over 11. Yeah, he's just right at 11 there. There. Another 11-inch fish. 2 in a row. There you go, another one. Oh, man, it's holding some nice fish. Good one. Yeah. Good fish. Solid 10. 14. Need one more. There we go. Look at the size of the belly on this crappie. I gotta do some counting. Look at the belly on that fish. I'm catching these fish 7 feet down. Well, that's it for me. It's 4:02. I didn't get on the water and fishing until after 1. And I got a nice limit of fish. All of them about this size. I got a couple smaller than this. I got 2 9.5, but every one of them's 10.5 to 11 inches. 10, 11, right in there. I did manage to catch a few on jig, but they wanted meat. Just caught most of them on a slip bobber and just a gold hook and a minnow hooked through the back, and I'm I'm not fishing them fish real deep. I'll show you. I'm catching them about 5 to 7 foot down. Right here, I'd say that's about 7.5 foot. That's how deep I'm catching them. In a fit, like I said, about 15 foot of water. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I've been busy and also working on the boat. And once again, remember wildwilliesocd.com for plastics, for crappie plastic. Check it out. And if you do decide to buy something there, please do. Give it a try. Remember, 10% off coupon code to enter is any angler, 10 and the percent symbol. So it's any angler, 10 and the percent. That'll give you 10% off your order. And as always, thanks for watching.